just my outfit.
So you show yourself to the wall.
Okay, you want me to put a cushion in front of it like that? That's better.
Why don't put on the top?
You see? The battery's
I finish it. End it now.
Honey,
End it
you're
now.
making me hot.
That 1 minute to end it.
Honey, it's you to end the vlog. Oh my god. Jesus,
Hi guys. Hi guys. Let me tell you one thing. If you just know how hard it is to end the vlog with this woman, it could be so simple, but she always make it so hard. Why? A woman make it hard.
Look who has entered the chat. My husband has entered the chat.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. I just want to roll back in my bed and sleep. That is exactly how I feel. But I woke up this morning and got a little workout in. I did some bike and a little abs, and that was good, I must say. But I feel like I want to go back to sleep. When my phone alarm at 6 o'clock, I just turned it off and put down the phone, boom. And I didn't get up until 8 a.m. Oh my gosh. But needless to say, the day must go on. How are you guys doing? What are you guys up to for today? If you guys are on your way to work, if you guys are staying home, whatever it is that you're doing today, prioritize and get the job done. Because if we don't do it, ain't nobody gonna do it for us, girl. Today is the day when our car is heading to the garage. So baby's working from home today. So he had an early appointment for them to come and take the car this morning. So he and them already went out, and he just messaged me that the car is at the garage. So I'm waiting to get update on what's wrong, if he's gonna come back with it, if the car have to stay at the garage for a few days. I don't know what is gonna be here for the rest of the day, but I'll give you guys update on that. So fingers crossed the car will get sorted out and we'll be back to our old self so we can go on our adventures on the weekend. Why am I so hyped? Because you know I live for a weekend little getaways. But it's so convenient when you have your own vehicle to get around and when you want to go places. Anyway, you guys, the kids are here making a fool of themselves as usual. Look at them. Let's see if we can find them over there. Turn on the TV, please.
I can use it.
Can you guys see my kids? Stella, say good morning to the faves.
One.
Sarah, say morning, faves. She said it, but you guys can't hear her because she under the pillow. Sarah, say morning, faves. Morning, faves.
Sit down.
They're playing. Sarah, you want banana? Look, look. You want banana?
Oh, yes, I had one fruit a day.
Oopsie, you want banana?
Me too.
Okay, so you're gonna get half and your sister gonna get half. Come, Sarah. You and Tai gonna eat banana. Come. Bite banana. Eat banana. Banana. Come, Tai. You say?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Eat your banana.
You have also some biscuits.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.
Some French lesson this morning on my own, and then I have some work to do, and don't do that. So I'm gonna carry on with my day and I'll come back and give you guys some updates on the car. So have a good day, stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, stay encouraged, be kind to one another, be honest. Love you guys. Every time I say the word honest these days, I remember Isaac in my head. What a story. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about and you haven't seen my vacation vlogs, go watch the vlog where I lost my camera in New York City and someone found it and gave it back to me. Just absolutely amazing. Still showing you lots of love, Isaac. Anyway, you guys, I'm gonna carry on with my day, so I'll catch you guys throughout the rest of today. Have a good day. Alright, you guys, here goes the visual and lunch for today. That's mine, just like all the other days. Egg, bacon, avocado, a little piece of salmon and tomato, and babe having veggies and same thing that's in mine. I don't even remember the last time I talked to you guys, but babe went and bring the car to the garage this morning. Car is fixed and he's gone to pick it up now. So we are back on track with the good stuff, the car. Yes, got our car back. Anyway, you guys, it is so hot outside. It's hard to take the kids out of this house. You want to go to the park with them, you want them to go out and have fun, but it's so hot, it's hard to go out. I'm gonna have to make my mind up and put them in sunscreen and put them in hat and go out of the house one of these days, but we can't stay in the house like this every day because of the heat. We have to be very careful. Anyways, I am in the kitchen right now. I'm going to make dinner. Dinner today is gonna be broccoli and chicken wings, and Tyler says he wants pasta today again. So Tyler, you sure you don't want rice?
No.
You want pasta?
Yes.
He said want pasta, so pasta it is, and he had pasta yesterday, but he want plain pasta today with nothing on it. So I'm gonna make butterfly pasta for him and his sister. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to whip that up real quick and call it a day. These vlogs with us inside with these heat is going to be short, but we'll give you guys what we have because this heat's no joke. I tell them that I'll take them to the pool later after dinner, so let's see how that will go.
I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight. Gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray.
We made it to the pool. Look at Tai Tai. Where's Sarah? Where is she? Where is she? There she is. We're at the pool, spending the rest of the evening after dinner. What better way to spend the evening to wind down and relax a bit. So Sarah is in a very good mood right now, jumping all over the place.
All I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray.
Look who has entered the chat. The husband has entered the chat.
Mais tu es où là? Va voir maman.
Okay, look at Mama. Look at Papa.
Yes, it's Papa. Papa has entered the chat. Look, now, you see? Papa boy. Look at how puppy. Look at Papa hand. You see? How is she doing that? How is she doing that? How are you doing that?
Papa, Papa, again. Mama, wait. I feel it. I feel it. Okay, Mama.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding. From the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing. So cold, behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb.
Wait.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough
Cause
climb.
I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon.
Papa, wait. I just
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding. From the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing. So cold, behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little.
Wow. What is that?
It's green.
What is it?
It's green.
It's green stars.
What is that?
You ready for bed? Tell face night night.
Night.
See you guys tomorrow.
Mama.
Big girl. One down, one to go.
Show face my shot.
Yes, face your chateau, your castle.
That's a bit blue.
Hurry before it break completely. Your chateau struggling though. Yeah, you struggle chateau.
I can.
Come, take up the piece that break and put your chair where it's supposed to go. Come, Ty, hurry up, please.
It's too big now.
It's because you didn't turn it the way it was before, that's why.
Okay.
Put your chair where it's supposed to go.
It's supposed to go. Look.
Soon you'll have a whole new room. New chair and all. Go.
New chair that have a wheel, I hope. Like that, I don't need to carry it.
You're too funny.
Push it. I just need to push it.
Okay.
Because. Hi.
Tell Faves night night.
Night night.
Say your prayers. And again, when you ended the vlog, you're talking
Who
too
do you
low.
think you are? Ah, I'm a little
Babe,
voice.
my throat. Can you come here?
Please.
You guys, please talk to your best friend. Please talk to best friend.
Please.
Because he's not on his best behavior tonight. And I want to end the vlog and go to bed. Can you guys talk to best friend, please? Best friend, come now. Oh my god, you're like Conrad. Oh my god, that was hilarious. He didn't like my nephew. That's an inside joke that we have.
You
My
are
nephew.
So rude. So why are you showing
What
your
the-
leg like this and your
'Cause
sexy
it's
stuff
my
like
leg.
this?
Babe, what do you mean? It's just my outfit.
So you show yourself to the wall.
Okay, you want me to put a cushion in front of it like that? That's better.
Why you don't put on the top?
You see, the battery's
Alright, finish it. End it now.
honey,
End it
you're
now.
making me hot.
That 1 minute to end it.
Honey, it's you to end the vlog. Oh my god, Jesus.
Hey,
let me
guys.
feel.
Hi guys, let me tell you one thing. If you just know how hard it is to end the vlog with this woman, it could be so simple, but she always make it so hard. Why? A woman make it hard.
You guys, you see, he never stopped until the camera battery died. And he still come back with his folder. You see, him telling me that I'm exposing myself. And when I'm at the swimming pool, I'm more exposed than this. That no worse exposed than this. Why are you looking at my boobs, babe? Baby, you turn off the fan and you come back, come sit here. We can feel the heat.
You just tell me to be quiet, nice. So why are you provoking me? You're provoking me. Be nice. Be nice. Be kind.
Be patient.
And be patient.
That's Sarah mantra.
Okay?
Oh my god. It's too funny.
It's
Honey.
so hot. I have the. I want to scream.
Baby, why you turn off the fan?
Because we're about to cool.
So you can wait
That's the
until we
end.
finish.
No. That's the end.
Honey, may I get a minute
You
pause,
fart.
please?
You fart. You have
Honey.
to do that.
Honey, end the vlog. Let me go inside my room, please.
Now she asked me to speak. After 10 minutes, she told me not to speak.
When did I tell you not to
Woman, you change your mind every
When
1
did
second.
I tell you not to speak?
Just now.
You want me to slap you in your neck?
Be,
Make you get
be
pink?
calm, Ludo. Be calm.
You guys see what I have to deal with?
No, that's what I was supposed to say. You see what I have to deal with. I'm nice. Yeah, I'll give you trouble. So, anyway, guys. Alright, that's the end of today's vlog.
You have to be ending the vlog, not looking down in my clothes. Honey, end the vlog, please.
Why every time I look at you, you say I look at your clothes? I
You
wasn't even
did.
looking at your clothes.
You did.
I promise you in front of God, I wasn't even looking at you. Like
Come, end the vlog.
Alright, beam number 10 and beam number 65, just for 2 minutes 65. My god, if I was paid for 1 hour, I will make it full, but unfortunately, I'm not paid by hour, so make it quick. Anyway, guys, try number 65. This is the end of today.
You went to the garage.
I went to the garage.
And the car is back.
And the car's back. Let's see for how long.
Don't say that. Don't speak that into the universe. Don't do that. Just say the car is
So the
back and we're
car's
happy that
back.
it's back.
Oh, I'm very happy that
Exactly,
it's back.
and leave it at that.
And
Nothing else will happen to it.
that's just going to bring us to new adventure. We need a car to go to adventure. So
Yes, we do.
yeah, so we're gonna do that. And yeah, we just watch a movie. And we're about. Oh, by the way, we are starting the celebration of Tyler, right? Tomorrow you have a long day, no? You have a long day in front of you tomorrow.
What for?
Well, you have to go to the entire town and try to find gift for your entire family, for me,
It's
for
not
me,
tomorrow.
and for
I'm
me.
going Thursday.
Oh no, you need to go today,
His birthday is Friday.
Thursday, and Friday. Did you buy a cake for me?
I have to make reservations.
Did you buy a big
Supposed to
cake
go
for
out.
me?
Hmm?
Did you buy a big cake for me? You know what I want? You know which character? Did you buy the character that I want?
You're not getting no cake. Sorry.
I don't get no cake at the... I want which Disney character I want?
Honey.
I want a cake with Weddington on it. So cut it like this.
You're too funny. His birthday is coming up, so I have that planning.
Anyway, that was a good day. That was a productive day, should I say. At least we did what we wanted to do. That's very important. When you wake up in the morning, you just put what you want to do for today, and when you go to bed and you just accomplish everything, you're just happy. So outside is so damn hot.
And you turn off the
Sorry
fan,
for my
yeah.
language, but we are inside, not outside. So outside is very hot, and yeah, we made it. Hopefully the heat wave will stop. And you have anything for your defense?
No, I just want to go to bed right now.
Alright, so thank you for your support. Continue watching us, giving us the thumbs up, the comments, the catch up, the keep up.
And we'll see them tomorrow. Hopefully they can hear you with your low tone.
Tomorrow.
I didn't say to shout at them.
I said tomorrow.
See you guys tomorrow. This man has stressed out me so. Come go your bed, man.